Hello, today we will be learning the letters O to U. First, O. So now we're going to point at our ring finger, O. P, we're going to take this finger and this thumb and finger in a little circle. We're going to just put it on the end there, P. Q, we're going to make a circle with our finger and thumb and put this finger just on the edge there, Q. R, flat hand, and this finger in a hook, and we're going to pop it on that flat hand like this, R. S, we're going to take our two little pinkies and just pop them together, S. And T, flat hand again, but on its side, one finger, put it underneath, T. And lastly, U, onto our little finger. We're just going to point at this little finger here, U. That concludes today's lesson. We'll see you tomorrow.